Words that sound similar. Accept and accept. What's the difference? Stay tuned and find out. One more thing, stay tuned until the end of the video because I have a short quiz that I think you will really like. Okay, let's get started. Accept versus accept. Let's begin. It is common for English learners and sometimes even native English speakers to mix up words that sound similar. This can be in speaking or even more commonly in writing. So ask yourself this question. What is the difference between the words accept and accept? One has an A, accept. One has an E, accept. They are spelled different, but they sound very similar. Don't say, all of the women wore dresses except for Samantha. Say instead, all of the women wore dresses except for Samantha. Why? The verb accept means to receive something or to agree that something is valid, something is true or real. For example, the child accepted his grandmother's gift with a smile. The child received his grandmother's gift with a smile. Patrick accepted the news that he had been denied for the loan. Let's say Patrick goes to the bank. He wants to get a loan to buy a house. He applies for the loan. The bank says no. So Patrick accepted the news from the bank that he had been denied for the loan. He agreed that this was valid, mostly because he can't argue with the bank, right? The bank has all the power, so he has to accept this. So don't say all of the women wore dresses except for Samantha, because we are not talking about receiving something like a gift or agreeing that something is valid. Let's restate the sentence to make the meaning more clear about Samantha. All of the women wore dresses. Samantha didn't wear a dress. Same meaning. So, accept means not including, or to exclude. Except is most commonly used as a preposition. All of the women wore dresses except for Samantha. So, all of the women, Samantha. All of the women wore dresses, not including Samantha. Okay, so this is correct. Don't say, I accept your apology. Say instead, I accept your apology with an A. Accept. Don't say, everyone is here except Fred, say instead, everyone is here except Fred, not including Fred, right? Everyone is here, Fred is not here. Okay, quiz time. Instructions. Fill in the blanks with either accept or accept. There are 5 questions. You might have to change the grammar for past tense or other grammar tenses. Pause the video and take your time. Write down your answers and check them. Okay, you can check your answers in the comments section below. And let me know your questions and ideas for future videos. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more free English content. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.